Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is going to present the basics of TypeScript like installation and simple TypeScript to JavaScript execution. We are going to install the Node software, TypeScript package, and Visual Studio Code in this demo and live server extension in Versus Code.
Download the Node.js LTS software from the official website. I am installing it on a Windows 11 computer. You can download it based on your OS like Mac, Ubuntu. Select the address bar of that folder and open the command prompt using the cmd command. Let's install the TypeScript Node package. After installing the TypeScript, we can check the tsc command. It means TypeScript compiler. Now, we should IDE to do TypeScript, so, we are going to download VS Code software. Download completed, I will install it on Windows PC. Now, we can open the VS Code from this folder using the command code. I will create a subfolder for maintaining TypeScript project. Hereafter, we can use VS Code inbuilt terminal and close that existing terminal. I am creating a simple JavaScript file and do the console code to execute. I use the node command to execute this JavaScript file. JavaScript file was executed successfully. Now, we will create a TypeScript file. I will delete the existing JavaScript file because TypeScript will generate a new JavaScript file when compile time. Let's do basic code with string variable to print in the console. I will use tsc command to compile the TypeScript file to JavaScript. tsc appts. Now, we can see the generated JavaScript file. Then node space app.js. Okay, let us see the second way TypeScript code execute. Type ts-node space TypeScript file. ts-node dependency is not available on my PC, so, I will install the ts-node library. ts-node space app.ts. Now, we can see how to execute a TypeScript with HTML web file. So, we can create an index file. We will add the script tag with the app.js file. Let's open the index.html file in the browser. We can see the console in the Dev tool of the browser. We need a local server, so I will install the live server extension in Visual Studio Code. To start the live server, we will click the Go Live button on right bottom of the Visual Studio Code. Now, we should write a code to bind the variable value in HTML DOM element using h1 tag. Let's create a variable let space message equal to hello, TypeScript with HTML. Then create a dynamic DOM element using the create element for h1. Then, fetch the value in that h1 element into the body. OK, let's run the app now using the TypeScript compiler command. I hope this video has given the idea of TypeScript installation and execution. Please motivate me with your support through subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!